Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the exercise questions of Chapter 11 Perimeter and Area of CBSE 7th grade NCERT Maths. You would have already learned perimeters of plane figures and perimeters and areas of squares and rectangles. In this chapter also we are going to learn the same for a few more plane figures. We know perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when we go around the figure once. Or we can say it is the sum of the lengths of the sides of a figure. And area is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Now let us recall the formulae that we have already learned. For a rectangle, if L is the length and B is the breadth, then its area will be L into B and perimeter will be 2 into L plus B. And for a square, area will be side into side, that is L into L, where L is the length of one side and perimeter will be 4 into L. Now let us start solving the questions. This is the first question from exercise 11.1. Here the question is, the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area and the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. That is, in the first part we have to find the area of the land and the second part is to find the cost of the land. Here length and breadth of the land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Respectively means in the order given. Here first is length and then breadth. So 500 is the length and 300 is the breadth. So here length is 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. Let us do the first part. For finding the area of a land, first we should know its shape. Here it is given the land is rectangular in shape and L equal to 500 meter, that is length equal to 500 meter, breadth equal to 300 meter. If L is the length and B is the breadth, then here area will be L into B. Let us start solving. Here given length of the land, you can write rectangular land also, L equal to 500 meter, breadth of the land B equal to 300 meter. Therefore area of the land equal to, we know the formula, it is length into breadth, that is equal to, here length is 500 meter, 500 meter into breadth is 300 meter. For multiplying these two, first multiply 5 with 3. That is 5 3s are 15. Then count the number of zeros here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 zeros, that much meter square. That is area of the land equal to 1,50,000 meter square. Going to the second part, we have to find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. 1 meter square land means a square land with side 1 meter, and it is given for this 1 meter square land the cost is rupees 10,000. Here we have to find the cost for this entire land. So if we divide this land like this, total area of this land will be sum of the areas of these 1 meter square lands, and total cost will be sum of the costs of all these lands. But we know repeated addition is multiplication. Let me explain this through an example. If cost of one apple is 10 rupees, what will be the cost for 2 apples? It will be 10 plus 10 equal to 20 rupees. Is it? Instead of adding like this, it is enough to multiply number of apples with cost for 1 apple. Here there are 2 apples, so 2 multiplied by cost for 1 apple is 10 rupees. That is 10. That is equal to 20 rupees. Then cost for 3 apples will be 3 into 10 equal to 30 rupees. And if there are 15 apples, then cost will be 15 into 10 equal to 150 rupees. In the same way, for getting the cost of this entire land, we have to multiply the total number of these 1 meter square lands with the cost for 1 meter square land. But we know the total number of these 1 meter square lands will be the same as the area of this entire land. So if we multiply area of this land with the cost for 1 meter square land, we will get the cost for this entire land. Now let us solve. Given cost for 1 meter square land equal to rupees 10,000. We know area of the land equal to 1,50,000 meter square. Therefore, cost of the land equal to area of the land multiplied by cost for 1 meter square land. That is equal to 1,50,000 into 10,000. For multiplying 15 into 1, that is 15, then put 8 zeros. That much rupees. That is, cost of the land equals 150 crores or 1 Arab 50 crores rupees. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.